Hello and welcome. So today we're going to be hopping into Adobe Premiere and I want to show you how you can fix background noise easily in just a few steps. So here we've gone ahead and opened up a Premiere file, start a new project. I dragged in a video file I have here which has a lot of background noise in it. It's mainly from the AC unit in my room. So we're going to try to remove that hum that's in there. Go ahead and drag that into your time bar there. And let's take a look how that sounds. So you can see it's not too bad once I start talking, but whenever there's a pause or anything, there's definitely some background noise there. So let's try to get rid of that. First thing I like to do is unlink the video and the audio. Whether this is necessary or not, I cannot tell you with certainty, but I just like to have them unlinked. Now that they are unlinked, how you do that is you just select that and there have the link and unlink right there and just about the middle there. Now select the audio you would like to adjust. Then you want to go up here to edit and then you go over to edit in Adobe Audition. Click sequence. It'll ask you to create a name for this. Hit OK. Once this loads in here, you will find it has your audio right there. Now, you see that everything on your right-hand side here is kind of blacked out or kind of grayed out. If you select the audio itself here, these will change and you can now click on them. The one that we're going to be using here is called Dialogue. If you click in Dialogue here, there is several options here. You can go and if it's not already selected, go to repair. Now you want to hit reduce noise and you can kind of adjust it. I like to go with about 3.5 for most of my videos. I generally record in the same room. I either record it in my office or I record it here in my apartment, and the audio levels, the background noises are about the same, and so I have preset numbers that I generally start at and try to see if that works out, if there is an improvement there or not. And if it still needs a little tweaking, I go ahead and do that. There is a little rumble from machinery. I give that about a probably 2.3 and then de-hum as well. Let's give it a 2.3, just kind of a starting point. There's other options you can go into. You can go into loudness, you can go into clarity, kind of work with that. You can, you can enhance the speech if it's necessary. For most of my videos, I found that those first ones in repair there, those three right there really do the trick. But if those don't do it for you, kind of play around with some of the other settings. This is really just super simple, gets the job done. Now that you've done that, let's go ahead and try to play that.
Okay, so for today we're going to jump right onto the computer. I wanted to share with you a tip sheet that I created. It's a simple tip sheet. You might know there's $210 in cash sales.
So we see that there is still a little bit of background in there. We can try taking this up a notch. But overall, I'm quite happy with that. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. You want to make sure these frames are selected here. Then you want to go up to File. You're going to go to Export. And then you're going to hit Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. Hit that. You might have to rename the file here. And once this is processed, it takes usually under a minute for it to process. Of course, it's going to depend on the length of your clips. My clips are generally between 5 and 10 minutes long. So less than a minute, usually the files are exported. It'll ask you to select which track to put it on, I generally write over the original track. So I'm going to select audio 1, but you could put it in a separate track, like secondary track, third track, or you can create another track here. And then let's say you mute the first one, and then you, in case you want to revert to that in any case. But for me, I'm just going to write directly over that. And now your audio is all fixed. Now, the last thing I like to do is I like to relink the audio and the video. So for that, you just kind of swipe over, select both the audio and the video, right click on that, and click link. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you would like more content on this. Let me know what you think. If you would like to see more videos as I used to do on HitFilm Express, or would you like to see what I'm doing here in Adobe Premiere Pro? Is there another software you would like me to kind of try using and upload some videos on? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, comments, it's always greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.